I've worked at Watchfire Signs now as an electrical engineer for almost a little more than 4 years. And of course, after high school, I went to college and I graduated from Harding University, which is a small private Christian college in Searcy, Arkansas. And after that, I actually went and did missionary work in China for 2 years. And when I came back, I found a job here. I graduated from Danville High School.
Okay.
And I actually worked, trying to remember now, three summers as an intern here at Watchfire Signs. I realized I wanted to be an engineer when I was in high school. We were taking we were taking the pre-SAT or the pre-ACT test, and you're supposed to mark what field you're interested in. And about that time, computers were really starting to catch on in the broader sense that most people could have a computer, and I was really interested in that, so I decided to go ahead and I marked computer engineering. In high school, I really enjoyed math and science courses, and I researched, and they said it was a good field to be in, so I marked that and thought about it more, and I just pursued it, and here I am. My job here entails a few big things. First of all, my job here entails safety compliance, specifically with UL, which is Underwriters Laboratory, which is a safety program. All of the signs we sell have a UL mark, so one of my primary responsibilities is to make sure that we meet all of UL's requirements. Another one of my major responsibilities is product structuring, and that is basically putting something together so that it will work with our signs. For example, a project I'm working on now is taking a single board computer and putting it inside of a box with the proper cables coming out of it, so that we can then take that box with the computer inside of it and place it in the sign. We meet the customer's needs, whatever they want, but as we're trying to be much better keeping the data that we have and using it, so that if a customer orders something that a previous customer has already ordered, then it's much less work on the engineer's part.
Okay.
So yes, every sign is custom, but if we've already done that custom job before, then we can use it again. To be successful in engineering, someone should, whoever is interested in engineering, they should be predisposed to be, I think, first of all, imaginative. They should be able to have a good understanding of higher math and higher science, or should at least not be intimidated by math and science. That person should also be able to go through technical documents, be able to read and get the information out of them. Using the skills that I have so far, I guess I would like to, I am comfortable where I am now, but I will say I would like to branch out, to bring in more fields, to use my skills in a broader way, I guess you could say. Honestly, my wife and I have dreams of going back to China and doing missionary work there, so perhaps using my engineering skills to either work in China or to facilitate companies that are doing international work. The thought that manufacturing is not desirable or not a good field to get into in the United States, I do disagree with that. A large part of the American economy is based on manufacturing, and to get in the field of manufacturing, it is very rewarding. It's rewarding to me to see one of our signs that I know I helped build outside, customers enjoying it. So I came back to Vermilion County because I have family here. I also have a wonderful church family here. It's also I think it's a good place to live and to grow. And the cost of living is very reasonable here. I would say most people who live around here, it is surprising to see such high-tech things. I know when I first found out about watchfire signs, I was surprised at the level of technology that was going on here. And I know I was surprised, especially when I came back. When I worked as an intern, we did not have a circuit assembly line. And when I came back, I saw that. And it's very impressive. I think Vermilion County is a good place to live. It's a good place to raise a family. And I believe watchfire signs, it's a good place to have a career, to start a career, and to continue a career. Watchfire Signs is a growing company, even during this difficult economic time.